I was running my route and I was like this, wide open. I go, throw it to Henny. Throw it to Henny. I was like this.
I don't want it.
No, Henny.
Hey man, I found out you an engineer.
Yeah.
What the hell you doing out here?
I know, man.
You just come to
I
get
had to make a little extra break.
Oh, okay.
Feed my family.
I see. Yeah, okay. I'm sure engineer does it.
Yeah.
No, this don't do nothing but just hug it and make it feel good. That's it. It ain't stopping from nothing. The pressure on there? Yeah, huh? It was hurting like the pressure? No, I like the pressure. My broke down here, like right here. Where's yours at? Right here.
Bro, D.A. Let's go, Luke. Yes, sir, JP.
Let's go, man. Let's get it. Let's go.
Hey, it's water day. It's water day. Whatever you got, let that feel.
All right, let's go, Jack. Let's go, man.
Hey, boys, make sure we lead. Lead, no doubt. We done won. And hey, they gonna have to respect whether they like it or not. Take off on 3. 1, 2, 3. Take off.
And here's third down, and Prescott is under siege and sacked. Snap, it's not snapped. They do get it snapped. They run it against the draw. Reynolds is tackled by DeMarcus Lawrence. 3rd and 1. Cowboys look for their first conversion. Handoff. Elliott coming outside to the right, short of the first down.
Here we go. Hey, that's the last 2 3 and outs. Let's go.
When they running goals, you gonna know. He gonna be hard than that. But if he would have threw the ball, I would have picked that because he was still on it. So far. Right. Throw the ball.
He's so cautious throwing the ball.
After I get to like a 50 like this right now, you only can throw the ball so far.
Long 2, Goff with play action back to throw. Deep ball down the left side. Intercepted. It is Diggs at the 15.
Here we go.
Here's a handoff to Elliott. Big hole on the right. He hurdled the guy to the 45. And then taken off his feet by Okuda.
I told y'all last week. I see you looking at me. I told y'all last week. 21 back there.
2nd and short, handoff. Pollard into the middle, and there he goes, turning right. Broke a tackle 30. Turns left 20. Taken off his feet at the 15-yard line.
Hey, he's so nice, dog. He's so nice, dog.
All 3 tight ends. Farniak in front of Elliott. Give it to Elliott. Plowing, right side. Touchdowns. Zeke.
You remember you faked it in practice?
Faked it in practice.
I said, I bet he jumps this week. I said, if you practice it, he's gonna do it.
That's fine. They keep going at your left. Cowboy mean. Best of the league.
That's the standard of this second half. We've done it. Why not do it every time, right? That's the standard of this second half.
Feel like they run against Philly. We can't jump, dude. They been going low all game, though.
You already had in your head like, yeah, I'm jumping this. I know you going there, I'm jumping.
I'm interested to see what this oxygen is about. I mean, I'm fine, but y'all act like it's good like that. Ooh, pressure.
At the 48 of Detroit, play action. Goff is sacked. It was Sam Williams who got in there. And here's Jack Fox to punt it away to Turpin. Fox hits an end-over-end spinner. Turpin, no fair catch at the 8. Right to the 10. Little hole to the 20. Speed at the 30. Got to block 40. Turns left 50. Knocked down at the 41 of Detroit.
I know, bro. I gotta get to the crib, bro. Come on, man. That's expected out of you. I know, you're right. You're right. That's why I'm mad.
2nd and 5 at the Dallas 18. He will play fake, throw a little screen on the left side. Hawkinson. A right, 10, 5, waiting for a side.
Yeah, they're conferring. I thought he got it. Nope, they got him marked down.
1 yard line. 1st and goal at the 1. Straight I formation. They'll give it to Williams at right guard.
Goes out.
Fumble. Who's got it? The Cowboys recovered a fumble at the 1.
That's how you blow the That's why you run to the ball, baby. That's how you blow up. Hey, that's it. I'm moving on this. That was a big play, bro. Real. Keep going, dog. Keep going.
Goff rushed, throws it over the middle, intercepted by Jordan Lewis. Free play, Prescott over the middle, caught by Lamb. That should be a first down, and they'll turn down the penalty. First and goal at the 1. Prescott under center, Pollard motion right, handoff Elliott, burrowing on the left side. Touchdown! 2 for Zeke. Touchdown Elliott.
Hey, I appreciate that, I appreciate good quality. That's what I want to see.
Back goes Goff. He's flushed out. Here's Sam Williams. Boom. Fumble. Sam Williams picked it up. He took it away from him. And Williams rumbles down to the
10. You a thief, bro. He's slow as hell.
No, I was following my blocks.
You went, you started going that way, the receivers start coming.
Yo,
I ain't fast enough to catch that nigga. Sam, I think Lowe's got you.
No.
He don't run a 4-3.
I
He don't run a 4-3. He don't run a 4-3.
I'm gonna go get it again.
Oh, yeah.
Play action fake. Prescott's going to throw it in the end zone to Peyton Hendershot on National Tight End Day for his first professional touchdown.
He said, Berg, you got a touchdown last week. Here, even it out. I'll throw this one to you. I got you so open. Dude. I got you so open. I cleared, and I go, oh my God. I'm telling you, look. Hey, everybody easy. Look, I looked at you, and I like somebody, and I just saw Peyton like this, and like, oh, that's easy. He was doing jumping jacks. He really was. He was like this. Hey. The villain. Went to go celebrate with him, and he's just, I ain't know what to do. We have 18 points. I was gonna do the hog tie. I just got with my boys. I celebrate with my boys. It's my first one with the boys. Hey, I was trying to do the hog tie. Oh, you were? Yeah. I was like, hog tie. Wow. When I look in the flat. When I came to find you running, your guy was still on your hip. So then I just see Peyton flash in his hand. He murdered him. Yeah, I blocked him. No, yeah, everybody eats, baby. Everybody eats. Let's go.
Goff battle. Here comes Parsons. Fumble. Sack fumble. Picked up by Armstrong. He fumbled. Picked up by Lawrence.
You want to go get you some? Go get you. I got mine already. All y'all boys involved here.
Hey, good work today.
Hey, Los, I ain't gonna lie. These pads kind of heavy.
Oh, they feeling heavy? That's outside.
See, I'm trying to catch up with y'all.
Y'all boys something else, boy. Y'all something else.